Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how you can completely delete your Instagram account. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram and then select the profile we want to delete. On the bottom right corner, click on our page. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy, Account Center, MMETA, Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, Instagram. Choose Delete Account. Click Continue. Choose the reason why we want to delete. You can choose any. Click Continue again. And after that, we will need to keep the password of our account with you. After that, and the password, press Continue. Once again, keep the password. Press Continue. Confirm. And after that, our account will be completely deleted forever. And we will no longer have it. Here is a simple way to do it in Instagram. If you liked this video, write help you or not. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Write comments. All thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.